Hello, let's check if OnePlus 10T 5G has a stereo speakers. So first we'll need to find all of the speakers on this device, and on the top there's nothing. Here's a phone call speaker. There's one speaker on the bottom, nothing on the sides, and also nothing on the back. Now, to determine if this device have a stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers, and if the sound is coming from both of the speakers, that's a stereo speaker. If a sound is coming only from one source, that's a mono speaker. So let's try that. So clearly sound is coming from both of the sources, and that means this device have a stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.